Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As promised, I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways that you can rock your natural girl Afro kinky wig. Let's get started. For style number 1, I put my hair in a high puff. If your hair is long enough, you can put it in a bun. Okay, my hair is not long enough to give me a sleek bun, and I was just feeling lazy to go through the whole stretch, so I left it in a high puff. Okay, and I slicked down the edges, basically just attached the combs to my high puff. Okay, I made sure it was secure, and arranged it so it's going to look like packing gel that we usually do. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. So I'm using bobby pins to secure the wig at the back so that it doesn't fall off. Once you are sure that the hair is secure, you can use your fingers to run through it, fluff it out. One thing you should never do to this hair is to use a comb. You should never put a comb to this hair. If you do, you will end up ruining the hair. Okay, so you're basically going to be using your hands to fluff out the hair, and then if you have any rough tips, you can trim that out. And there we have our style 1. Isn't it beautiful? For style number 2, I'm going to do a leave out. I'm doing a center part, so I left a small portion of my hair for that part, and then I sectioned the remaining hair into 2 and tied it into 2 buns at the back. Okay, I pinned it down so that it would be flat. I didn't want it to look bulky like the first style, so that is why I had to tie it down into a bun, into 2 buns at the back. So I'm going to be using the combs to attach the wig to my hair, and then use bobby pins to secure I'm going to part that section that I left out. I'm going to part it so that I can get my center part. You can use edge control if you want. You can use bobby pins, but the idea is to blend your natural hair into the wig, okay, so that it's not so obvious that it's not your hair. I'm going to spray the hair with some water and then put some oil to give it a bit of shine, and make sure that your natural hair is well blended into the wig so that it looks nice. And there you have it. Give it up for style number 2. I had people asking me if this was my real hair, and I kept saying yes. Moving on to style number 3. I'm going to pack the hair now and secure it with a bobby pin just to give it a different look. It's still the same hair, just hold it down with a bobby pin, to give it that classy chic look. Style number 4. Put everything together into a bun, a low bun with a rubber band, and you are good to go. You can accessorize, you can do anything you want with this hair. If there are other ways that you figured out to rock this hair, please let me know in the comments section. I'll be delighted to try new methods, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and watching my videos. And if you are a new did I say new subscriber? Yes, because you're supposed to be subscribed to this family. Please subscribe, okay? If you are a visitor, subscribe to the channel. Let's be friends, okay? I love to make friends. I love new friends. All right, okay? So subscribe to the channel.